Welcome to Engage Math, Pre-Algebra, Lesson 1, Problem 5, where we are ordering fractions, decimals, and percents. I think the easiest way to start this first one is to get every one of those particular expressions into a decimal form. Okay, so 5/8. Honestly, I think it's really important to know that 1/8 is exactly the same as 0.125, which is truly 125 thousandths. Knowing this is really helpful in math. So if we know that, we already know the first fraction. I'm just going to rewrite it as the 0.6. The 5/8 is basically 4/8 plus one more eighth. So it's 0.5 plus 0.125, which means that it's 0.625, which is really 625 over 1,000. And 58%, this is something you should know, but just to make sure, if you have 58%, you can move the decimal 2 to the left to turn it into a decimal. So now these are our three decimals we're comparing. Keep in mind that you could add as many zeros as you want after the 6 right here, and it does not change the value of the decimal. So the lowest decimal, I think I'm going to do that just to kind of help you see it. We can think of that one as 0.600 because that means 600 over 1,000, which is exactly the same as 6 over 10. This one we can add a 0 because 580 over 1,000 is the same as 58 over 100. Now it's easy to put them in place. I'm just going to number them instead of rewriting them. They wanted the least, so this would be the least, the 0.580. The second would be the 0.600, and the third, the greatest, would be the 0.625. All right, let's look at the next one. Again, I'm going to turn them all into decimals. This is another one I'd like you to know right off the top of your head. 3/4 is the same as 75%, or 0.75, which is 75 over 100. The next one is 0.72, and then the third one, based on what we did before, we can call it 0.71. Now it's easy to compare them. It's hard to get that first step done, but now this is the least, this is the second, this is the greatest. Okay, thanks for joining us today at Engage Math.